Good morning, dear students. So, class 5th, are you excited? Yes, obviously, you all are excited. That is why we are conducting this online classes. So, one thing that I want to tell you that you have to be very sincere regarding your studies, and whatever I will teach you, you have to do it very sincerely and you have to follow me. Okay, students? And try to read with me and try to understand whatever I am teaching you. Okay, so come to page number 1. So let's start. Lesson 1. Trust in God and do the right. This is a poem which says trust in God. We should always trust in God. हमें भगवान पे भरोसा रखना चाहिए and do the right. What you should do? You should always do right things. So trust in God and do the right. हमेशा भगवान पे भरोसा रखो और हमेशा सही काम करो, सही पाथ में चलो. So first question they are asking, who do you remember when you are in difficulty? जब आप परेशानी में होते हो तो आप किसको याद करते हो? So tell me. Yes, obviously we remember God and our parents. So next question they are asking, do you pray to God every day? क्या आप डेली प्रेयर करते हो? Yes, we do. So let's start with the poem. Courage, brother, do not stumble, though thy path be dark as night. There's a star to guide the humble. Trust in God and do the right. Let the road be rough and dreary, and its end far out of sight. Foot it bravely, strong or weary, trust in God and do the right. So let's discuss this poem one by one. Courage, brother, do not stumble. Courage, brother, do not stumble. We should always keep our foot with full of courage and dedication. We should not stumble. हमको कभी भी किसी के लिए वेट नहीं करना चाहिए. Though thy path be dark as night. What is the meaning of though? Then also. Then also your path be dark as night. भले हमारे जो पाथ है, जो हमारा रास्ता है, वो क्यों ना कितना भी डार्क हो, कितना भी अंधेरे वाला हो, बट वी हैव टू मूव. देयर इज अ स्टार टू गाइड द हम्बल. हमेशा एक स्टार है जो हमको रास्ता दिखाएगा. ट्रस्ट इन गॉड एंड डू द राइट. वी शुड ऑलवेज ट्रस्ट इन गॉड एंड डू द राइट थिंग्स. लेट द रोड बी रफ एंड डेरी. भले हमारी जो रोड है, जो हमारा पाथ है, वो कितना भी रफ क्यों ना हो, कितना भी डिफ़िकल्ट क्यों ना हो, लेकिन हमें कभी भी रुकना नहीं चाहिए. एज इन दिस पेंडेमिक ऑल्सो वी आर मूविंग, वी आर स्टडिंग, राइट? सो वी शुड नॉट स्टॉप आवर लाइफ विथ आवर डिफ़िकल्टीज. वी शुड ऑलवेज take a good decision. We should always take a good effort to solve our problems. And dairy. What is the meaning of dairy? Dairy means सुनसान. भले ही रास्ता हमारा सुनसान हो, whether it is silent or सुनसान, we should always try to move ahead. And its end far out of sight. कभी ना कभी हमको उसका एंड तो मिलेगा, राइट? फुट इट ब्रेवली. हमें हमारे जो कदम हैं वो फुल बहादुरी के साथ रखने चाहिए. हमें किसी से डरना नहीं चाहिए. स्ट्रॉन्ग और वेरी. वी शुड ऑलवेज बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग what we are doing for. Okay? Trust in God and do the right. So we should always trust in God and do the right things. Okay, students? So this poem is written by Norman MacLeod. Okay students, so what is your homework? You have to write today's date, lesson 1, trust in God and do the right poem in your classwork copy. एंड आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस पोयम, ये पोयम आप अपनी कॉपी में लिखेंगे और पोयम लिखने के बाद आपको नेक्स्ट पेज पे ये ड्राइंग आपको दिख रही है, ये ड्राइंग आपको बनानी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, and all are requested to send me the photo of your work. Okay students, and if you have any doubt in this part, you can WhatsApp me. Okay students, have a nice day.